What's up, my babies? It's your girl MalijahSerenity, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be about me organizing the shop, well, organizing my station at the shop, because it's a mess. I'm not gonna lie. I just got done doing hair, so my client just left, so I'm about to run to Walmart to pick up some bins, like just stuff to put my combs and stuff in. I had containers and stuff at the last salon I was at. I ended up bringing them over here. Those didn't fit, so I just really never went and got any more because my life was just so chaotic. So now I'm just working on discipline and working on just like getting myself organized and just trying to accomplish a lot of goals. One thing I realized and I know is that nobody that's like successful or anything, they don't have clutter around them. And I also don't like clutter either, so I just like for stuff to be organized. When stuff is more organized, you could think, your brain is more clear, see better, you know where stuff is, comfortable. So I'm trying to work on getting better with that. So the other day I was at the shop and I just looked at my drawer. I was like, girl, you need to do better. So I wrote it down on my to-do list to go get some and stuff when I had some free time. So I have some free time. I just got back from visiting my grandparents. That vlog is already up, so y'all can go watch that one. I'll leave the link down below. Right now it's 12:18. I end up taking a last minute client, so yeah, I'm about to probably run to Walmart. If I don't really find one at Walmart, I may run to Target or something, but I need to. Oh, I do remember I actually had went to Walmart one time to look for containers, the one that was close by where I stayed, but they didn't have any, and I just never went to any other Walmart close by. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's pretty much the intro. Y'all know I get to run in my mouth real quick. Y'all, excuse that basket. But y'all, I'm outside being greedy. I ain't even left yet. I've been sitting outside like 10-15 minutes. These little baby chips, baby, the best. I really don't even need to be eating them because I have a photo shoot Saturday. I'm gonna vlog that for y'all, but I'm hungry. But yeah, I'm finna leave the shop and go ahead. Damn, I'm just smacking on these chips. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Walmart. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I made it to Walmart and I came to the bin section first because I wanted to get some bins with my put my products in. Y'all listen what I'm talking about. But our booth is made as a whole stand. It's not, our booth is made as a whole stand. It's not made as like individual booths. Y'all see what I'm talking about. I don't really have drawers. Y'all see what I'm talking about. I better explain it. Hey, y'all trying to go by?
I'm not here. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, we can.
Okay, you could go ahead.
Okay. I'm gonna push it on up and I can walk back.
Okay.
Here's pretty.
Thank you. But these are the bins that I'm gonna put my got to be stuff like that in. So I'm gonna get this right here. I'm gonna get these rubber bands and bobby pins and stuff like that in. I had these before. Okay, y'all, I am back from out of Walmart. I'll really show y'all once I get to the shop. I didn't put in any bags because I feel like it really wasn't a purpose because they were all kind of big and stuff. I had to get me some more of these because I do a lot of ponytails, so I ran out. I don't like to use rubber bands. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got. I'm trying to debate if I want to stop and get me something to eat. I'm probably not. Okay, y'all, so I finally made it back to the shop. It is currently 5:05. Yeah, I know it's pretty late, but my storage and my SIM card went out. I had to go to Target to get a new one. So then I just sat, ate, ran some errands. Oh yeah, I ordered my outfit for my photo shoot, but I don't think I'm gonna show y'all. I think I'm gonna wait and let that be a surprise when I upload my behind the scenes. But let me show y'all. See, this is what I was talking about. So y'all see how we don't have a full station? It's just like a long thing. So we don't have this. You know how they have cabinets where you can open and close and you can store things like this up under? Yeah, so we don't got that. So that's why I got like stuff like this to put the stuff in. So, oh yeah, I end up having to go buy some more of these. But anyways, so these are the storage bins I bought. And I got all this out the bathroom section, but we're gonna make it work. So this is what my drawer look like. Yeah, see what I tell y'all? It looks a damn mess. It look a mess, but we're gonna get it together. So that's all that matters. So I'm about to start putting it together. I may play some music so I come in and out of the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm done cleaning my tools. So now I'm just about to dry them off and like section them off and just put them in here where I want them to go. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done organizing, and I know y'all ready to see, but just give me a second and I'll show y'all. But yeah, I'm finally done organizing. I really didn't show it because I was trying to get done. Let me show y'all. I'm very excited to show y'all. I was trying to just go with like a very sleek finish, like not too much, very clean and just not messy. So I did what I could do. So first, let me show y'all. When you first walk in, I am the first station, so I definitely try to be like very clean. Excuse that, y'all. But I definitely try to be like, you know, just keep it very clean. So I have these two hanging here, and I have my hot comb right here. I kind of explain why I'm leaving this right here in a minute. For one, it don't have a hook to hang on there, but I'm gonna tell y'all why I don't put it in the drawer. But anyways, yeah, when you first walk in, this is the thing that I was telling y'all about earlier that I can use stuff to like put it in. In here is my caps because I do wig installs and quick weaves and all that good stuff. Y'all can go follow my hair page at Hair by Malijah on Instagram. It'll also be in the description. These are some black caps that I use for like when I do baby hairs and like quick weaves and all that good stuff. This is just my drawer. This is just my drawer for my like wig stuff. Excuse how dirty the bottles are, but this is just my elastic band. I ordered a new one coming in. These are my glues, my what I use for like foundation and stuff to like blend the caps, and these are my makeups. And this is my white cap for like when I cut split ends and stuff like that. I rather use a white cape. A white cape instead of using a white towel, just so it's so much easier. I don't have to worry about a towel falling and all that good stuff. Quick little backstory, this is not white, this is like a blue color. And I'm mad because on Amazon it was most definitely white and they sent me blue. So I ordered a new white one and it will be here tomorrow. Matter of fact, it'll be here tomorrow. So I actually have a white one. I read the reviews and stuff and it's actually white. This is my wash kit. I'm gonna take this out. I just don't know what I want to do with this just yet. I think I'm gonna buy like another container to empty this stuff in. Then I can throw it away because it's too big to fit in the drawers. So, but this is what I'm going to be using for when I go wash my clients' hair, so I can just wash it over there, because I'm about to invest in a few more products that I want to try and stuff, you know, just to add more luxury to, you know, my client's appointment and stuff like that. So this is what I'm going to be using. It'll be more like I'm gonna not decorate it, but I'm gonna organize it more up when I get everything. Okay, so let's move to the drawers, and this is the first one. This is just some alcohol I use for wigs and stuff. This wouldn't fit in the brush drawer, so I just put it right there. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with it yet. Maybe leave it right there, but I'm kind of weird. I don't really want it touching that, so I kind of don't even want this right here either. So, but whatever, I'm gonna figure that out. Excuse my nose, y'all. I told y'all I'm a little stuffy or whatever. The weather don't know what it want to be and it keep changing, so I'm gonna order them vitamins and all that stuff later. But so yes, this is my drawer. I love it. It's so neat. So this have my scissors, shears, edge brushes, and all of that good stuff in there. This have the bands for the ponytails. I bought these a little too big, but it's just gonna have to work. These are some bobby pins, and these are rubber bands. Oops. And then these are just like some clips, and those are my tweezers. And this is kind of like a mascara, but it's for hair. So instead of using black spray for, you know, if you do hair, then you know what I'm talking about. But this, or any type of just whatever like this, it looks like mascara, but it's for hair. Girl, please get it. It's bomb. This brush is bomb as well. I got it off of Amazon, especially if you do like a lot of blowouts and stuff. Okay. Ta-da, this is the second drawer. So this, I have just like my combs and brushes and stuff that I use for like when I wash my clients' hair and natural hair and stuff like that. This other bin is a lot of my products that I use. It's a little messy, but I made it fit, so whatever. Everything didn't fit, so I had to put some stuff on the side. I lost my top to this. I'm sad, so I had to put some plastic over it because I want to make sure, you know, all the fumes and all that good stuff stay up in there. Okay, so let me explain why I left this up there. So this is my drawer with a lot of my flat irons and like stuff like that, most of them. And so I left this up here because I want to keep it plugged up, because everything that I use these through the most, so I keep them plugged up just so I can take it out and plug it straight in the morning when I walk in. But I like to keep these cords in the drawer because it's just more cleaner, so that's why I keep them in there. And then the last drawer is just like a storage cabinet. So yeah, I'm very proud of myself for, you know, taking the initiative to get that together. Maybe small to others, but it's big to me, because when you're trying to accomplish bigger goals, you don't just accomplish those goals by like just going to accomplish that goal, if you get what I'm saying. It takes small steps to accomplish that big goal. So if I know I'm trying to open up a hair salon, then I would take those small steps. Okay, like, okay, so what do I need to do to, my camera is not focusing, I'm sorry, but what do I need to do to open this hair salon? First, girl, I thought to myself, well, first, girl, you need to get organized in the shop that you're in now. First off, God won't bless you with more if you don't even take care of what you have. Just throw that out there. So I like to take care of my things. But yeah, I was like, you know, the first thing you need to do is get organized. Get organized so you can see more clear, and like when you're working, you just know where everything at. You won't be frustrated because you can't find stuff. Like, that's one thing. Second would be, okay, the next thing I want to do is just stock up on everything and get like buy all the tools and products that I've been wanting to buy and invest in. I'm gonna just go ahead and invest in myself. And then those two things will take me to, okay, well, now you're together, everything is clean, organized, you're stocked up on everything. So when God or the universe bless you, you know, bless you with for your business to be booming and be successful, you will be ready, you'll be together. Like, you know what I'm saying, it's boom boom boom, you can see clearly, it ain't nothing, at least that's not in a way, at least, you know, not saying everything is going to be peaches and cream, but at least you know that is straight. So yeah, anyways, you know, that was just what I was trying to say. You know, just take small steps, and then you can keep building to get to where you want to go. But yeah, so that's why I say I'm very happy that I did that. So that's one step out the way, and I'm just going to keep, you know, elevating. And I just kind of want y'all to see my growth and where I come from, and then hopefully it motivates y'all to want to do better, and just so you can know that you can do it too, especially if you believe in yourself. But that's just a whole nother conversation and story. I'm about to get going because I have yoga class at 7. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy this video. More videos to come. I'm gonna have a posting schedule. I really haven't decided, but I'll let y'all know soon what my posting schedule will be, and I also edit it in my bio and all that type of stuff. But yeah, I love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and follow me on Instagram at MalijahSerenity. And yeah, I'll be back with more videos, and I'll talk to y'all later.